My people, today we're making the popular Ghanaian waakye. Don't worry, I am going to explain to you what happened here much later in the video. Hello everyone, my name is Remy and I make videos from Lagos, Nigeria. Waakye is a Ghanaian dish that is made from rice, beans and cooked with red sorghum stalks. Waakye is such a healthy dish and the addition of the red sorghum stalks makes it medicinal. I paired this with Shito, the popular yummy Ghanaian sauce. If you'd like to learn how to make Shito as well, I'll put the link to the video in the description box. Alright, let's start cooking. In a pan, I added already washed white beans. I used 2 cups. And to that, I will add half a teaspoon baking soda, followed by the already washed sorghum stalks. Just a handful is okay. You can get sorghum stalks from the malams who sell spices at the open market or check with the people who sell herbs. Now we add enough water to cook. What the baking soda does is to cook this fast and also darken the color of this dish. In place of baking soda, you can use corn or konwa, that's potash. I allowed this boil for just 15 minutes and it was ready for rice to go in. The baking soda does a really good job at softening food really fast. Now look at that rich puru color. We call sorghum stalks puru in Yoruba language. I have already washed my rice, so it is good to go in. For the 2 cups of beans, I used 4 cups of rice. I think that should create a good balance. At this point, you can add salt. Now, please, I have a request. If you're enjoying this video, please click the like button. That's the only way YouTube is going to know that this is a valuable video and be able to recommend it to more people. Thank you. Now, 10 minutes after adding the rice was when I realized I had made the wrong choice of pot because this rice was nowhere near ready. And the pot was already filled to the brim, so I had to get a bigger pot and transferred everything inside. And please, if you're coming across my channel for the first time, can you please join us by subscribing to the channel? I promise it is going to be worth your time. Thank you. Now I am taking out the sorghum stalks because their job here is done. You can actually take them out before adding the rice. I just decided to leave them in there for longer because I want this rice to pop. Yeah. This is not ready yet. As you can see, it still has water in it. So I'm just going to leave it on very low heat to cook. And this is it after some 10 minutes on very low heat. This is ready. Now, the Ghanaian waakye that I know is not grainy. It is usually slightly mushy. And this is the perfect texture for quality waakye. You should be able to take some of these in your hand and the grains won't fall apart, just like the test that I did here. And this is how you know you have good waakye. So I have an assembly of all the accompaniments of waakye here. And I am going to top this with my Shito sauce. Very yummy something. If you'd like to see the recipe on how to make Shito, I will link it to the description so you can watch it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I hope you like it. I hope that you recreate it. This is such an interesting meal. If you do try it, please share your feedback with me on Instagram at foodieremrem. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like if you have not done this. I will see you soon with another video. Take care and bye-bye.